coming.
Hey, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? All right, I go by the name of OG Chief. Welcome to my channel. It's my first video. So today we got the Mars Hydro. I'm gonna do a budget grow for y'all. So some of y'all, you know, trying to grow on the low and without breaking the bank, and Mars Hydro sponsored this grow. So shout out to Mars Hydro. I'm trying to show you guys how to do this. First things first, you see what I'm pulling out of the box. I'm doing a little unboxing for you. What you see is the 2x2 Mars Hydro grow tent. So quick little info, it's 2x2. I think the exact details, it's really like 23 inches by 23 inches. So it's not a full 2 foot by 2 foot, but it's great for the 2 foot by 2 foot space. I'm also unboxing the TS600 from Mars Hydro, the very low costing. It's great for this light, this TS600 light that I got. It says it covers a 2 foot by 2 foot veg and ideally a 1.5 foot what's it called, flower. But I'm gonna do the whole grow in this, so 2 foot by 2 foot is gonna do it. So we'll see. I might be upgrading to a TS1000 along the way, but for now we're gonna get this veg cracking, you know what I'm saying? Again, this tent, 2 foot by 2 foot, very low costing, for everybody trying to grow on the low, not trying to break the bank. This isn't expensive. It's less than $100. I'll put a link on the bio so you get the exact pricing of it, but it's a very affordable tent for anybody that's just starting, and it's very easy to set up. Well, the poles were easy to set up. Now let me say this, you're gonna see, as you can see, I'm struggling to set up the tent. And the best advice I can give you is start with the logo side up. I started with the bottom. I tried to put the bottom on first, and because all of the compartments are on the top, I couldn't get it to go over the railing, and I struggled for like 5-10 minutes. And then I finally gave up, put the top on first, and then it was over in 2 minutes. So after 10 minutes of struggling, I really got it done in 2 minutes once I did it right. So start with the logo side up when you put the tent on. See how I got it going real quick after getting annoyed, but hey, it makes for a longer video, so that's cool. Check me out though. Yeah, you put it on to set up the tent, yada yada yada. Probably takes you about 15 minutes because you're gonna be moving so cautiously. But the poles, the instructions are real easy. They're all labeled and lettered. You can find the instructions on their website. You can find the instructions on Amazon. You can find the instructions on eBay. Really, it's really easy to see. It's just C goes to E and yada yada yada. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna put the little top bars on so I can put the light up. So let me go ahead and give you a quick little run through of the light before I even get to it. So just some specs on the light. It's the TS600 from Mars Hydro. I believe this one's like $80, y'all. So like I said, if you're really trying to grow on the low, you ain't trying to break the bank. Not everybody can afford thousands of dollars worth of equipment, so this is a great starting point. Some of y'all might not ever like really get into it, but always want to be able to do it just for the fun. So this is like a really cool way to get the light growing, get the light going, get the grow going. Bam, that's it right there. So anyways, yeah, it comes with all the hooks. It comes with everything that you'll need to set it up in the tent. You won't need to buy any additional hookups for this light. Quick specs on the light. The light is, I want to say it's like 93 watts. It might be 100 watts, but really it's like 93 watts. Let's keep it real. From the wall. So best case scenario, I might get 90 grams out this thing, but I probably won't because this is new grow, budget grow for the beginner grower. Beginner growing, blah, blah, blah. This is a beginning grow for a beginner grow. So this is only my second grow ever. First grow I'm almost done with. I'm gonna put a video up just so you guys can see. I'm gonna do like a whole start to finish little thing so you see where I was at. But as you can see, back to this, you can see it's really easy to set up. You put the little clamps on it. I didn't even use the clamps that they gave me. I used half of the clamps that they gave me because I found this little strategy that if you just use the little pulley hangers, one on each, and then put the rope over the bar, you can get it higher when you have taller plants. So I just skipped that. I might go into a video in further detail to explain that. But anyway, check out the tent. It's already set up. Bam. anyways, as I said, about 90 watts from the wall. It doesn't have any additional drivers. It's pretty cool. I think you can get it as low as 12 inches. I won't be doing 12 inches, but yeah, man. So check me out. Stay tuned for the future grow. I'm glad you guys can stick around. Hopefully you can stay with me for the whole grow. Sponsored by Mars Hydro. Once again, shout out to Mars Hydro. And yeah, man, let's see if we can get the grow going for the low. I got a couple seedlings popping. Y'all see that next video. OG Chief.